How to disconnect Zooba from Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to disconnect Zooba from Facebook, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Zooba game on your device, and once you're inside the game's lobby page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After you do that, you'll come across this settings menu where you'll need to tap account from the top. And if you have connected with Facebook on Zooba, you'll see this little disconnect button. Just tap on that and you have disconnected Zooba from Facebook. Remember, after doing so, you may lose Facebook Friends sync in Zooba. Your game progress may still be saved if linked to Google or guest account. You can reconnect anytime later again. So there you have it. Always make sure that you are connected with any other option over there so that you don't lose your progress. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.